Welcome back to Kenji's for Kids. Today we're here at Diver City, Tokyo. We're gonna go visit the Gundam Base. We've heard that to get in the Gundam Base sometimes you might need a lottery, but we're gonna go inside and check out if we could just go in and look at all the Gundams. Let's go. Whoa, this Gundam looks huge, and this is a real life scale, so if there was a Gundam, it would be like this big. Oh, this thing looks cool as well. It looks super realistic. You can see the hands, all the robotic parts moving, and I guess these things right here are like lights. And at night, this thing transforms into this is the Gundam Unicorn, and it transforms into like destroy mode or something, and the whole Gundam lights up and changes form. So that's what happens at night. Okay, they do have a mini Gundam Base Store here at the entrance. Like, we can go here in case if the big one is not open, but let's go inside and see how it is. Let's go. We were here 2 years ago when we had not started the channel yet, so this does bring back memories, so this is really fun. So this is more like a little shop, not more like the actual Gundams, but it's still cool. Okay, so my first thoughts of the shop, it is super cool. It is basically a mini version of the Gundam Base. They have all sorts of keychains, they have a little bit of Gundam kits, and they have a bunch of little other accessories. And I think this place is pretty cool. If you come here and it's a day that you can't go to the big one, this is a great place to come and visit. Okay, we have now just exited the store. This place is absolutely amazing. It's so fun to be looking around at all the cool things. They don't only have Gundam kits. They also have a bunch of other things like mugs. They have different displays. They have keychains. We did get a Gundam mug, coaster, and a keychain, and I feel like this place is a great place to come and visit and check it out. The perfect grade Unleashed RX-7 old Gundam. When they came out for the first time, this was what they looked like. Things you guys should know before coming here: do not come here on the weekends because it is very crowded and you need a lottery to get in there. But during the day, on the weekdays, it's perfect to come here. Not that many people, you don't need a lottery. But in the entrance, they will scan your face. We don't know why. I think this place is cool to check out. And thank you guys for watching Kenji's for Kids from Gundam Base.